Hi everyone, in this video I will be unboxing and testing this Philips Norelco Series 3000 trimmer. So this is a multi-groomer trimmer. It is basically a beard trimmer, but you can also use it to cut your hair. In my video, I'll be unboxing it to show you what's inside the box, and I'll be testing it to trim my beard. So let's start. The box is really easy to open. It has a perforation on the back. Just tear it up. And then everything is well packaged. So let me remove everything. So this is everything you get in the box. These combs here are basically labeled as hair combs. Of course, you can use them also on a beard if you like your beard to be long. And these are like many sizes. This is 5 millimeters, and you have 7 millimeters for your beard. And you have this one, which is 3 millimeters. And this one here is a 1 millimeter trimmer. So these are 4 sizes for the beard and 3 sizes for the hair. So you have the longest one 16 millimeters, and this one here is 12 millimeters, and this one here is 9 millimeters. But it doesn't mean that you cannot use these on your beard also. So this is here the nose and ear trimmer, and this is a precision trimmer here. And this is easily, you can remove it like that and just install. If you want to install, for instance, this trimmer here, which is a precision trimmer, you can install it like this, or you can install this one here also like that very easily. Which is good about this trimmer is that it is really budget friendly, and it has everything you need to start, cutting your hair and trimming your beard. Before first use, I'm gonna charge it fully. So this trimmer, to be charged, it takes 8 hours from empty to be fully charged, and it can be operated up to 60 minutes if you wanna use it, so before the battery drains out. So what I'll be doing now is that I'll be trimming my beard. I'm gonna use the 3 millimeter clip here. So just to install it like this, let's start trimming the beard. It's really very good. So what I'll be doing now is that I'm gonna use the blade directly. I remove the comb to clean here this part of my beard. And as you notice, it is really good, and it did the job, and it did it very good. And then let me show you how to clean the machine. You need to remove the blade and never ever put the machine under running water or even put it in water. To clean the machine, use a brush just to remove the hair from the inside like this. And the blade and the combs can be rinsed underwater to clean them up. So once you clean them up, make sure that they are really dry before reinstalling them to the machine. So that was my test and my review of the Philips Norelco Multi-Groomer Series 3000 trimmer. I hope that you liked my review and found it useful. If you did, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I want to thank you all for watching, and see you in the next video.